Let me show you how I made this cute lantern for Christmas. Grab yourself a lantern and whatever candle you want to use, and then you're going to place your greenery in the bottom of the lantern. And I don't get anything special. This is just pieces that have fallen off, and I place my candle in there. Then you're going to take a 36-inch piece of twine and tie it to a bell. You're going to take 3 1.5-inch terracotta pots and also tie twine to those just by gluing the twine in the bottom of the pot, and then it'll stay. And I whitewashed and put some gold paint on them just to knock off the terracotta. Then I took these tiny little mercury glass ornaments and tied twine to them. You're going to loop the bell through the lantern using both pieces and just tie a simple knot. I ran the twine through the bell. It's not tied on, so I have 2 pieces of twine. So I take both pieces and use that to go under the handle and tie the knot. Then I do the same thing with the terracotta pots. I just make sure they're not lined up straight. I kind of drag one down so they're at different lengths. I take the twine, loop it through the bottom of the handle, and then tie another simple knot. You don't want to tie a double knot because you'll have all this bulk. So just do a simple over or under knot. Then the next up is the mercury glass ornaments. I used 12, and you can use different colored twines if you want, and you do another simple knot. So now you will have this really large, long length of tail, basically. And the next step is to take that long piece and wrap it around the original length of all of the ornaments. And it's going to be bulky and cool because you've used so many different pieces. And you just go around and around that original holder like you're wrapping a horse's tail. And you will wrap until you get to the bottom, which is the top of the ornaments. And once you get to the top of the ornaments, that last loop you make going around, you're going to leave it loose and tuck the tails in through that loop, which is a simple knot, and you will tie it off. Very simple, but makes a statement. So then I just push the tails behind the ornaments, and then I flip the handle over and go style it the way I want it. Here I put it in my powder bath, but you can do this anywhere. Adorable. Let me know what you think.